last year na, 31st. But I want to say 3 words to describe me. Loving, giving, and inspiring.
Para sa akin, ang masasabi ko sa'yo, Sir Bar, ikaw ay super supportive na asawa, mapagmahal sa pamilya, at mula nung nandyan ako sa inyo, hindi mo ako pinabayaan, lagi mo ako pinagtatanggol, kahit anumang mga pagsubok na dumating sa buhay ko, lagi kang nag-a-advise sa akin, na ganon. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo. Ilang taon na ako sa inyo, palagi mo ako surprise sa birthday ko din. Kaya ngayon, nagagawa ko din mag-surprise sa iyo. Happy birthday and stay as sweet as you are.
So, hi Kuya Ibar. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. And I have few words that explain your personality. Nakikita ko na isa kang mapagmahal na ama, mapagmahal na asawa, at saka napaka maalaga mo sa pamilya, at hindi lang sa pamilya, kundi pati na rin sa aming mga kasambahay niyo. Yun ay, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat na concerns, advices, at pagpapatuloy dito sa buhay, pagiging parte ng buhay ninyo. Just enjoy your day and wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Love
Day, I love you. Happy birthday.
To celebrate your birthday today, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude for everything you've done for me and our family. Thank you for being not just a good man, but an exceptional father and husband. You've taught me that I am worth so much more, that I am capable of achieving anything if I believe in myself. Your unwavering support has been my guiding light, showing me that there is still beauty in the world, even in the darkness of times. During the moments when I felt alone and lost, you reminded me that there are still good people, people like you whom I can always count on. Your willingness to listen, to understand, and to forgive has shown me the true compassion, the true meaning of love and compassion. Thank you for your wise words and talks. You've made me a better person by reminding me not to let others' words define me, but to listen to the voice within my heart. I'm sorry for the times I didn't listen, for the moments I let you down. But through it all, your love has remained unwavering. I love you more than words can express that I.
Happy 31st birthday! Unang-una, salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa lahat sa pagmamahal at pagsasakripisyo para sa akin. And I don't want to cry, but I'm teary already. But thank you, tatay, and happy birthday. Hindi ko na alam ang sasabihin ko kasi paulit-ulit. Huwag mong iisipin na wala kang kasama kasi andito lang ako lagi para sa iyo at saka sa pamilya. Huwag mong iisipin na hindi ka na-appreciate kasi lahat na-appreciate yung ginagawa mo. Akala mo lang hindi, pero lagi ka namin. Lagi kami nagpapasalamat sa lahat. At saka huwag mong babaan yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. Dahil sa nangyayari sa atin ngayon. Basta magkasama tayo. Lahat malalagpasan natin. Basta kompleto at buo tayo. Nandito lang ako lagi sa'yo at sobra kitang mahal, pati ng mga bata. Happy 31st birthday and I love you so much!